I'm going to share with you what should you do after that powerful down drop on all cryptocurrency pairs, especially on Ripple, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we are starting right now. My friends, my name is Yuri, I'm top trading you offer, and this lesson will be about technical analysis, far more about technical analysis. I will tell you the reason why the drop had happened, and I will tell you the best places where you can buy it with very low and predictable risk. And we are starting from Bitcoin. Let's open Bitcoin chart and take a look what's going on with Bitcoin at this moment. Bitcoin, as you can see, rose up so many days without any decent pullback. And when you would open weekly chart on Bitcoin, what would you see? You see very fast uprise without any decent pullback, without any range and without any accumulation. Can you tell me where it was before? It was before only after this, as you can see, 2017, if you remember, that crypto heaven that everyone believed to the moon. Also, it was after this range accumulation. You always need to know how market works and how exchange works. Price rise because some people open buy position. As you can see, it is the biggest accumulation area here. It was the biggest accumulation area. And what had happened after that? Price started this uptrend. And imagine if you bought Bitcoin in this area, you had this insane profit, 60% of profit. Even if you put few millions, you could have 62% of profit. That's insane. For people who have big money, big accounts, for them it's incredible profit. That's why many people who hold buy positions, they just closed. And when you hold buy, and you close it, you sell. That's the reason why price dropped down. Because some people who hold buy positions, they sold it. That's simple, very simple. And at this moment, what could be the next? At this moment, I cannot tell you with 100% possibility, but I hope that Bitcoin will do deeper pullback, at least into this area. Few seconds. At least into this area. That would be the best area where we can open buy position for a long term and hold it. If there would be pullback to this area, I would personally will open additional buy position on Bitcoin. This one, it is a safest area, because if you would take a look on Bitcoin, you always would see that if Bitcoin had made a 50% drop, that's the best opportunity to open buy position, because you will have very good and predictable profit. Technically, I still believe that Bitcoin will continue uprise. But at this moment, it is too risky to open a position. It's too risky because I don't know who would like to buy Bitcoin at this moment. Because I do believe that if price will do deep pullback, for big players, it would be insane volume accumulation. And take a look also, it broke down this upward channel. How it works? Imagine all the people who open buy position here. How many of them, if price would drop down, would close their position at break even? And that's how exchange works. That people who would like to hold buy position, when price come back, with huge possibilities, they will close their position at break even. And that's why for us, this area, it would be the best area to open entry. At this moment, I would wait. My friends, if you want to get good updates at this moment, there would be a link on my trading new page. You should subscribe, because there I would do updates on everyday basis. Sometimes situation can change and it's impossible to say that, for example, what I told today, it could not work on another day. That's why you should stay tuned with me there and here on YouTube. My friend, if you think it's useful for you right now, smash like button, hit the bell that you don't miss anything, because we publish every week 2 lessons about trading which will help you trade better in many times. Subscribe. Let's go to Ripple, and after Ripple we will go to we will cover Ethereum. Ripple, few days ago, I recorded this video where I told Ripple sell after 200% pump. And what do you think many people wrote to me? Yes, I didn't, I forgot, like many people wrote to me that I'm insane, something like this, in private messages. But here, take a look. When I record this video, Ripple was at 65, and after that, Ripple rose up to 75. It was area where I told all people close their buy position. And take a look. After my previous video, Ripple dropped down 34%. 34% Ripple drop down. And at this moment also many of you ask me what to do and where is our accurate entry point. First, my friends, remember the simple laws of the market. But I have a special lesson for this. I prepare that lesson for you. Here, there would be a link also below. How to market will reversal after this move. Where I explain how price changed its trend. It was a pure pump, and after that pure pump there always would be deep pullback. I expect that Ripple can make down drop at least into this area. I think it will hit this area, because how it works. Imagine there are some people who accumulate buy position in this area. What happened after that? Ripple rose up incredibly fast, and here it was 200% of net profit. It doesn't matter where you open buy, here, you have huge insane profit. And what would you do? Of course you would take that money, you will take and put it on your account. That's how exchange works. That's why I fought, and that's why I believed in it. Also, cover what happened before. Many people ask me, say that I'm insane, something like this. But tell me, show me in history where price moved many days in a row with so paranormal ATR, average true range, without any decent pullback. Even here, 2 days of pump, after that range for 1 month and down drop. Even here, best and closest example of a pump. Take a look. Here, this day, 786% of ATR. Here, it's percent of ATR, average daily move, best indicator ever. Here, 1,864% of ATR. What does it mean? ATR, it is average true range, average daily move of the instrument. For example, some instrument move per day in average 50 pips, 50 cents. It's average move. Sometimes that could be 110%, sometimes 90%, but it's normal volatility. But today this day was 1,011 times bigger volatility. And after that, as you can see, what had happened? Global trend down for many days. I think nearly something like that also can happen on Ripple. And at this moment, I do not recommend to open any buy. Even here, take a look, up rise and after pullback. Why it works like this? Because people who open buy position, they would close their buy and sell. Why price would rise from this point? Who would open buy? That's an answer to you on a question, but can Ripple hit 1K, one USD? It can, but how? How it will happen? It can make it, but before made a pullback to this area. And also, if it will rise up to 1 USD, that means someone must buy it. And why someone would like to buy it and hold it to 1 USD? Who would make this buy imbalance? That's why it's difficult to say. If you would summarize Ripple, what I recommend. At this moment, I recommend to open sell in this area, 65.70. If there would be pullback to this area, open sell. I think there would be a deeper pullback, at least into this area. A few seconds. At least into this area. And my friends, if you would open in this area, it's area where you can open buy position. It's safe area. At this moment, it's only think about sell. Okay, friends, and the last one would be about Ethereum. At this moment, once more, if you think it's useful right now, smash like button and stay tuned till the end. After this video, I'll put below a lot of useful lessons for you. I'll put our top 4 or 5 lessons about trading, which will change your trading dramatically fast. Also, subscribe to stay tuned and hit the bell. Here, Ethereum. Ethereum at this moment looks the best, to be honest, beyond all of them. Also, I know that some exchanges lock up Ethereum. Also, as you can see, Ethereum made this pullback slowly. To be honest, Ethereum looks the best beyond all of them. Also, as you can see, it made this false breakout of this key level. If this daily candle will be above, to be honest, here is a good place for a buy. Why? Because first, as you can see, we have this accumulation area before a level. Also, it looks like I know that Binance or other exchanges, they lock up Ethereum for 2 years, and at this moment you can give your Ethereum and you will get 90%, something like that. That means many people will do it because it's insane profit in Ethereum. For me, it looks it can make at least 800. For me, this one looks the best. If you would compare Ripple and Ethereum, you would see that Ripple made insane, paranormal and fast uprise without any good accumulation, without any good powerful area. As you can see, just rocket. And here, take a look, compare accumulation area, before level accumulation area breakout. Pullback on this instrument was only nearly 20%, on this 40%. And here would be bigger. Here, I think if price will be above this level, I think there would be much more uprise. My friends, also once more, there would be a link on my TradingView page. Subscribe, because there I will give more updates about this cryptocurrency instruments. Also, right now there would be 2 lessons about trading which will change your trading dramatically, and after that you will trade much better. Thank you for your time. See you next time.